Testosterone, a hormone integral to both male and female well-being, is particularly renowned for its profound impact on the male physique. It plays a pivotal role in regulating a multitude of physiological functions, encompassing muscle development, body fat distribution, and even mood equilibrium. A decline in testosterone levels, however, extends its repercussions beyond mere muscle atrophy. The hormone exerts influence over energy levels, libido, and crucially, one's overall disposition to navigate daily life. As we age, the natural production of testosterone declines, potentially resulting in a constellation of symptoms suggesting hormonal imbalance. While it's widely believed that testosterone levels begin to dip after age 30, this decline can commence earlier or become more pronounced based on individual lifestyle, dietary habits, and overall health status. Even men in their early 20s may experience these symptoms if their hormonal health isn't adequately maintained. But what happens when testosterone levels decline? The first impact is felt in both physical and mental performance. A deficiency in testosterone can negatively affect your mood and daily activities, leading to a persistent sense of fatigue and lack of energy. The body starts storing more fat, particularly in the abdominal area, and you may notice a decrease in muscle mass, even with regular exercise. Furthermore, declining testosterone can impact your emotional well-being, potentially leading to increased irritability, anxiety, or even depression. In this first section, our aim is to elucidate how testosterone impacts the body and underscore the significance of recognizing potential warning signs. Subsequent sections will delve into the specific indicators of low testosterone and, crucially, outline actionable steps to rectify the situation. Stay with us. When discussing signs of low testosterone, many men remain unaware of the symptoms until they become prominent issues. These symptoms often linger for a period, leading individuals to acclimate to the changes in their physique and mood without comprehending the underlying cause. Let us delve into the 5 primary indicators that suggest your testosterone levels may be suboptimal. 1. Excessive fatigue and lack of energy. The first sign that your testosterone levels may be low is chronic fatigue, or a constant feeling of tiredness, even after a good night's sleep. If you feel perpetually drained, even without engaging in strenuous activities, it could be an indicator that your testosterone is declining. This hormone is crucial in regulating the body's energy, and its depletion can leave you feeling unmotivated and lacking the stamina to even complete simple daily tasks. Younger men, in particular, may dismiss this sign and attribute it to stress or a demanding work schedule, but persistent fatigue is one of the earliest indicators of low testosterone. If you've noticed that your energy seems to drain throughout the day, it's worthwhile to explore whether testosterone deficiency could be the culprit. This is especially pertinent if you find that you're unable to regain your energy, even after resting or taking a break. 2. Diminution of libido and sexual performance. Testosterone also plays a vital role in regulating libido and sexual performance. When levels are low, a decrease in sexual desire is common. This can impact the quality of your relationships and even lead to frustration and insecurity. Testosterone is responsible for sexual drive, and when this drive begins to wane, it is a clear indication that something is amiss. If you're experiencing a decline in your libido or difficulty achieving an erection, these could be indicative of suboptimal testosterone levels. Many men grappling with these symptoms feel shame and consequently choose to ignore the issue, which can perpetuate a cycle of unrelenting frustration. The silver lining is that this is a treatable condition, and with the appropriate guidance, libido can be restored. 3. Mood swings and irritability. Another common sign of low testosterone is fluctuations in mood. If you find yourself feeling more irritable or even depressed without an apparent reason, it could be directly related to a decrease in your hormonal levels. Testosterone has a strong connection to emotional control. When your levels are balanced, you feel calmer, more motivated, and with a clear mind to face daily challenges. However, when these levels drop, the result can be an increase in stress, anxiety, and a feeling of being overwhelmed. Excessive irritability is also a common symptom in men experiencing low testosterone. Seemingly minor everyday occurrences can begin to cause significantly more distress than they should, potentially impacting their relationships with others and their overall quality of life. For muscle mass and strength loss, testosterone is a primary hormone responsible for muscle growth and the maintenance of physical strength. When its levels decline, you may begin to experience a gradual loss of muscle mass, which can render your workouts less effective. Even with regular exercise, you might observe that muscles fail to grow at the same rate as before, or that you are unable to lift the same weights you previously managed. This happens because testosterone plays a crucial role in regulating protein synthesis in muscles. When testosterone levels are low, muscle recovery after exercise is compromised. The loss of muscle mass can also negatively impact posture and mobility, making everyday physical activities more challenging. 5. Increase in body fat. Decreased testosterone levels are also linked to an increase in abdominal fat. As testosterone declines, the body begins to accumulate more fat, particularly around the midsection. If you have been adhering to a healthy diet and engaging in regular exercise, but are still experiencing weight gain in the abdominal region, this may be an indication that testosterone is not being produced in adequate quantities. The accumulation of abdominal fat can be a health issue in itself, as it is linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular disease and other metabolic disorders. Furthermore, it can negatively impact one's self-esteem and overall well-being. By now, you've likely encountered several indicators suggesting your testosterone levels may be suboptimal. We want to know, have you personally observed any of these signs in your own life? Or are you acquainted with someone experiencing them? Share your insights and experiences in the comments section to contribute to our community. Your story could resonate with many individuals facing similar challenges. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, now is the perfect opportunity. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and exclusive content tailored just for you. Now that you are familiar with the most common signs of low testosterone, let's discuss diagnosis and available treatment options. The first step is to consult a medical professional. Many men attempt to address this issue independently without seeking proper guidance, which can delay the detection of a genuine medical concern. There are blood tests available that measure testosterone levels in the body. These tests are straightforward and quick, representing the most effective method to ascertain whether your testosterone levels are suboptimal. Should your physician determine that your levels fall below the normal range, they may propose a range of treatment options. Treatment for low testosterone can vary depending on the specific case. In some instances, hormone replacement therapy may be necessary, which can be administered in various ways, including injections, patches, gels, or even implants. The treatment regimen will be tailored to your individual needs and in consultation with your physician. Moreover, lifestyle modifications are crucial for the success of the treatment. This encompasses the consistent practice of physical activities, particularly strength training, which contributes to increased testosterone production. A well-balanced diet, emphasizing foods rich in zinc and vitamin D, can also aid in maintaining hormonal levels. To prevent your testosterone levels from declining over time, it's crucial to embrace healthy habits that foster hormonal equilibrium. A salient initial recommendation is to prioritize your diet. Consuming foods abundant in healthy fats, high-quality protein, and vegetables can contribute to testosterone production. Furthermore, the consistent practice of physical exercise is paramount. Not only are aerobic activities beneficial, but also strength training exercises, such as weightlifting, which are particularly effective in elevating testosterone levels. The quality of sleep also plays a pivotal role in hormonal production. Concurrently, slumbering for 7 to 9 hours nightly facilitates the maintenance of balanced testosterone levels. Furthermore, mitigating excessive stress, adhering to a healthy weight, and moderating alcohol intake are additional factors that contribute to the preservation of hormonal well-being. So, what did you think of the content? Now that you know how to identify the signs of low testosterone and how to treat it, share your experience with us. How have you been managing your hormonal health? What did you learn from this video? Tell us everything in the comments, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We are ready to bring you more tips that can truly elevate your life.